Welcome back to K&L Farms. I'm Ken. I hope this video finds you well. So I shot a video the first part of last week on I was done with the garden, the greenhouse, and the greenhouse shed for this year. And I didn't want you thinking it was clickbait because I'm back in the greenhouse again. But the beginning of last week I moved on. I caught 2 brake jobs that I was doing. I had, which I still have to do. I have another one that was in the front camera module. I need to replace in a vehicle. And then I caught 2 shifts, 2 temp shifts for an outside contractor. So I was doing my thing, going about my business, you know, I'm having a good time. And my wife came to me on the first brake job. Now the brake job, we own a big shop, here in on the homestead, and she came to me and said, "Hey, there's water coming out in the greenhouse." So I kind of waved it off a little bit and kept doing what I was doing, because at that time I was actually on a payroll for somebody else. So I needed to get the job done. I got that first brake job done, and my wife said, "Hey, that leak's getting worse." And I was frustrated. I wasn't frustrated with my wife, but I was frustrated with, if I build something, if I construct something, I try and do the best job I can when I'm on that project. And then when I move off, I think I hit the easy button. I shouldn't have to ever go back to that previous job. And that's not the case. You'll have to deal with that if you're on a homestead, or if you do like I do, or have my type of lifestyle. You have to go back periodically. So what she was saying was, this hose bib, frost-free hose bib, 2 feet down below this somewhere, it's broke. Somehow it got broke, and it did not get broke due to frost or freezing. Somehow, I don't know how it happened, and that's part of the video is I got to dig down 2 feet and turn the water on to actually see what's broke down there. So come along with me as I dig down. You know, I'll put a few shots in me digging down there, and I'm going to put it in one of these totes, because I don't want, you know, 6 feet of dirt in the middle of our new greenhouse. So I'm going to work on that right now. That frost-free down below there, that frost-free, and I paid good money for it, is broken too. In the dead of summer. Wasn't winter time, not winter. So I got to get that frost-free back out of there. And see it coming? See that water coming out there? It broken right at the base. So I got to get it disassembled here in a little bit. Got to get the water turned back off and disassembled, and then kind of figure out what's going on. But I have no idea why that broke. Wasn't like it was froze up. But anyway, that's what I'm working on. That's why I'm back in the greenhouse. Okay, so this is the end of that frost-free nozzle, and I don't remember it being cheap, but pretty much everything you buy anymore these days turns out to actually be a piece of garbage. See how that's broke? It broke right off the end, and that did not freeze because we're in the dead of summer, and I was getting prepared for the winter time, and that's when we had that major leak inside the greenhouse. So I got to get another one. So I'll catch up with you later on on the other one once I install the other one.